Hey everybody, happy Freedom Friday. I'm so glad you jumped onto our Freedom Friday because we are talking about something that sits right here in the center of everybody's chest. That little knot, that stress that comes with worrying about money. You know that feeling? Wondering if you'll have enough left at the end of the month. Wondering what happens if you lose your job. Wondering if your life could look like if you actually had peace instead of panic. Wondering how your retirement years will look like. Wondering about whatever is stressing you out. Today's live is all about shifting that. Moving from stress to security and building an income that can keep paying you even when you are sleeping. And before we dive in, if you are someone who's been feeling stuck in the 9-to-5 trap, they used to call that the rat race, and you want a clear, simple plan to start building something of your own, make sure you grab my free resources, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. It's my step-by-step guide for anyone who wants to start creating income outside their job. Even if you have no experience, go to https://go.lynettebadenhorst.com/blueprint. I spell my name LINETTEBADENHORST.com/blueprint. You will want it for today's session because everything we talk about plugs right into it. Now, for those who are here for the first time, my name is Lynette Badenhorst, and I'm a wealth engineer who helps everyday South Africans build sustainable, ongoing income streams and using a regulated financial system. It's not hype, not scams, not fantasies. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa, and for almost 10 years, I'm helping entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals build recurring income online without selling a thing. I show people how to create recurring income using a hybrid financial platform so they can live debt-free, stress-free, and on their own terms. Type freedom if you're watching live or the replay if you're catching it later. I'd love to welcome you here. And a special word of welcome to my online guests. As usual, Belinda, Cheryl, Gerald, Peter, and all those who's watching the replay. I trust that you will enjoy the time with me and get some insightful tips and information that can help you make better decisions. For the last few years, I've been helping people shift their financial reality one simple step at a time. I host these Freedom Friday sessions because I know just how stressful life has become and how many people are searching for a real way out, one that actually works. There is so much noise online about making money that it's hard to know what's real and what's a scam. That's where I come in. I help entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals create recurring, reliable income so that they can live debt-free, stress-free, and finally start living on their own terms. And I'm doing this for almost 10 years. But let's be honest, our economy has changed. Jobs aren't guaranteed anymore. Groceries get more expensive every single month, and most people are living one emergency away from disaster. That kind of stress doesn't just affect your bank account, it affects your sleep, your health, your relationships, your confidence, everything. But here's the truth many people forget. You can't think clearly, grow, or plan for the future when your mind is stuck in survival mode. And that's why creating a backup, a second stream, something that doesn't rely on one employer or one salary, it's no longer a luxury, it's a lifeline. Security doesn't come from working harder. It doesn't come from taking on more stress. It comes from creating income, excuse me, that isn't trapped inside the time for money trap. Income that doesn't require you to be awake, active, or at work. Income that grows because you grew a system, not because you traded more hours for your life. This is where residual income changes the game. Residual income is earned when you set something up once and it keeps paying you again and again and again. Like what we built through DealPoint, a legal, structured financial system backed by major South African service providers like Sanlam, Santam, Bright, Old Mutual, the whole caboodle. You don't have to sell anything, and I love that. I hate selling things. I hate convincing people mine is better than yours. I'm simply sharing the information. What you do with the information is totally up to you. You can ignore it or you can use it. I'm offering you a gift, the gift of financial freedom. But only you can decide whether you want to accept my gift and use it or just ignore it. And I don't blame you if you ignore it. I'm sad because I know you've lost the opportunity of ever becoming financially free. And I know what I'm talking because I was there. You also don't need experience. You simply connect people to a system that's already been running successfully for 10 years. And we have an amazing WhatsApp system that we use to help you to get qualified to earn within your first 7 days. And when you do that consistently, your income keeps flowing, even when you are sleeping. You know, over the years, I've had the privilege of working with hundreds of people from every walk of life. And one thing has become crystal clear to me. You don't need to be special. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a degree or years of experience or even perfect English. All you really need is to be coachable and to take consistent action. That's it. And that's exactly why DealPoint works so well for so many people. What I love about DealPoint is that it's simple. You don't need to overthink it or complicate things. It's smart. Even everything is structured in a way that makes sense and works efficiently. It's real. There's no hype, no smoke and mirrors, just a proven system that delivers results. And most importantly, it changes lives big time. Let me tell you some real life examples, because these are the stories that really show you what is possible. I think of a lady living in a rural area, someone who doesn't speak perfect English, yet she saw an opportunity, believed in the process, and decided to embark on this journey. She's now creating long-term wealth, and her stories prove that where you start does not determine where you can go. These stories, people like her achieving the impossible, are available on DealPoint's YouTube channel and Facebook page. Go and check it out for yourself. And they are truly inspiring. Then there are people who were in debt review, living month to month, feeling stuck and overwhelmed. They took a chance, followed the system, and now they've completely rehabilitated their financial lives. They are not surviving anymore. They are creating financial freedom and stability they've never thought possible. And one story that really touched me was about a teacher who discovered she's been conned out of a pension. Imagine that, working for years thinking you were secure, only to find out your future had been stolen from you. Most people would have given up, but she didn't. She took the leap with Dewpoint, and today she's on a journey to rebuild her financial security and maintain her standard of living. Her story is a reminder that it's never too late to start over, and that the right system can make a real difference. But here's the beauty of Dewpoint. You don't have to sell anything you don't understand. You simply connect people to the platform. They choose the product that suits them, and the system does the rest. And while the system works, you earning ongoing, repeat residual income. That's income that doesn't stop when you are sleeping, spending time with your family, or enjoying life. When I think of these stories, I see something powerful. I see momentum. I see hope. That is something very, very scarce in our country. I see people who decided to take control of their financial future and prove to themselves that their circumstances do not define their destiny. And that momentum, that's exactly what we want to build for you. So, if you're listening right now and you've been thinking, I don't have experience, I don't know if this will work for me, I don't even know where to start, let me tell you, you can do this. You can take the first step today, follow the system, and in time you can create real income, security, and freedom for yourself. I did it. I started off being in a terrible financial position. Today I can breathe because I've worked a system that truly supported me for the past 10 years, and I love it. And here's the part that makes your journey even more exciting. Dewpoint's lucky number 7 incentive. Every week you stand a chance to win 7,000 Rand simply for doing the work you're already doing. Imagine building a real sustainable income while also having the chance to win a 7,000 Rand on top of it every single week. Does your job offer you incentives like that? And who knows, you might even be the next name called out for lucky number 7, walking away with 7,000 Rand while building something that lasts. This is the power of the system, the power of consistent action, and the power of believing in yourself, no matter where you start. I want to share something today that is absolutely life-changing, and it is the core of the free blueprint I created. This is the same formula that has helped countless people go from feeling trapped and stressed about money to feeling in control and confident about their future. And I want you to imagine this as I take you through it. Picture yourself months from now, waking up without financial worry, checking your phone, seeing your residual income grow, knowing that your money is working for you even while you sleep. But here's the formula. First, you need to learn the system, understand the tools and the process. The first step is often the one people overlook. They think, I need to be perfect. I need to know everything before I start. Now, my mentor, Tanya Eliza, always says, done is better than perfect. Getting things done first, and then you can change them to get to optimal results. But starting is the biggest virtue. You need to get started now. You definitely don't need to know everything before you get started. You just need to learn the system. Take the time to understand the platform, how it works. You don't need to be a financial expert or a tech genius. I've seen people who have never touched a computer, never even posted online. They take this system and completely transform their lives. Think of it like learning to ride a bicycle as a child. At first, it feels strange and awkward. You wobble. You are scared you might fall. You wonder if you will ever get it right. But you don't give up because you want the freedom it provides, the freedom to take you anywhere you want to go. The truth is, the bike can get you from point A to point B, but it will never move if you stay on the sidelines. You must take that first step and start pedaling, even if it feels uncertain. The same is true for the system. You might feel unsure or think you need to know everything before you start. But the moment you begin and take that first action, everything starts to make sense. Step by step, you gain balance. Step by step, you gain confidence. And here's the best part. Confidence fuels action, and action is what gets results. You don't have to be perfect. You must just start. The system is designed to support you along the way, just like training wheels help you ride a bike until you are ready to go down on your own. And you have all my knowledge and experience to help you along the way. If you are listening right now, think about this. Do you feel like you already know enough to take the first step? Or do you feel stuck because you think you must know everything before you get started? I want you to remember this moment because learning is the first step, not perfection. The second point is build your channel. It's not about selling, it's about connecting. Now here's where people get it wrong. Building your channel is not about selling. It's about connecting, about helping people see solutions they might not know exist. It's about promoting your own business in any way you feel comfortable with. Your job is to introduce the system to people who could benefit from it. It's their job to take it or not. It's not your job. Don't do their job for them. Maybe a friend is worried about money. Maybe a neighbor wants extra income. Maybe a colleague is tired of the 9-to-5 grind. You are not convincing them. You are guiding them. You are opening a door, and the system does the rest. Let me give you an example. Let's get back to that lady that was living in the rural area. I think she's still living there. Someone who doesn't speak perfect English and has very limited access to resources. Yet, she took the leap. She believed in the process, showed up, built her channel one person at a time, and today she's creating long-term wealth she never imagined possible. She built a home for her parents. Every time she gets money, she add another room, etc., or every month. And she's not alone. There's lots of them. These stories, people from all walks of life, building wealth and freedom, are on Dewpoint's YouTube channel and their Facebook page. Go and watch it. You don't have to believe me. If she can do it, so can you. The third step is use the technology. Automate, track, and leverage tools. The next step is all about using the tools that make your life easier. Technology is your ally, not your enemy. Don't be scared of it. Automate what you can. track your growth. Use the tools provided for free by the system. DewPoint provides world-class training on their app, and everything is free. You only pay for your product. That's amazing. They do everything, and I mean everything if I say everything. You just need to build your own business. Imagine being able to follow up automatically with prospects, know exactly who's engaging, and see your channel grow without having to work 24/7. That's leverage. That's freedom. That's how residual income starts to feel. It feels real. It keeps moving even when you are spending time with family, enjoy hobbies, or resting. Think about one task you could automate this week. There's lots. Technology, oh great, I love it. Think about that one step that saves you time but still grows your channel. It's possible because we are using technology. Keep that in mind. Small changes like this add up to faster than you can think. The fourth point is be consistent. Small daily actions beat one-off big efforts. This is the secret ingredient that separates success from frustration. Consistency trumps intensity. Small, steady actions every day beat giant bursts of effort that fizzles out. Even 15-20 minutes a day of connecting, sharing, and following up can completely change your financial plan. Even reaching out to just one person a day, staying engaged and showing up consistently builds momentum. Think of it like planting seeds. You don't plant once and expect a full orchard the next day. You plant a few seeds every day, water them, nurture them, and eventually those seeds grow into a garden that can sustain you. That's what consistency does. It compounds over time. The fifth step is let compounding do the heavy lifting. Your channel grows and so does your income. Once you've built your channel and stayed consistent, the magic of compounding kicks in. Your income grows exponentially, not because you worked harder, but because the system grows as your channel grows. Connections multiply, opportunities multiply, and your financial security multiplies. Residual income is powerful because it doesn't stop when you are sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your loved ones. It's money that keeps moving and that gives true freedom. This blueprint is how people go from feeling trapped to feeling in control, from worrying about the end of the month to planning confidently for the end of the year, from stress to security. I've seen so many people in debt review who took this challenge and rehabilitated themselves financially. Teachers who lost their pension but are now creating a sustainable future. Ordinary people like our lady in the rural area who now have financial confidence and freedom. That's momentum. That's hope. That's freedom. And here's a cherry on top, DewPoint's lucky number 7 incentive. Every week you have a chance to win 7,000 Rand just for doing the work you are already doing. And imagine building sustainable income and having the chance to win extra money every single week. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you, if you're finding value in these Freedom Friday sessions, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery on YouTube. That's where I share weekly insights, tools and real strategies to help you escape the 9-to-5 trap and build recurring income that gives you freedom. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a session. That way, even if life gets busy, you always have access to practical, step-by-step guidance on your journey to financial independence. Please share, like, love, and follow me on my Facebook page. And remember to visit my blog on LynetteBadenhorst.com/blogs for more of the same topics. So, if you are listening right now and you still think, but I can't do it, let me tell you, you can. You can take the first step today. One connection, one small action, one consistent day. And over time, your income, confidence, and peace of mind will grow. This is the blueprint. This is the system. And this is how people go from stress to security, from fear to confidence, from surviving to thriving. But before we wrap up, I want to remind you again, if you haven't downloaded my freebie yet, do it now. Escape the 9-to-5 trap, my online business blueprint. Comment blueprint and I will send it to you. This blueprint will give you the exact steps to start your own diversion income stream. And when you combine it with Dew Point system, you have something powerful in your hand. And don't forget, building consistently, you're not only creating your own financial security, you are also entering into Dew Point's lucky number 7, where you stand a chance to win 7,000 Rand every single week. People win every week, and the next name could be yours. Thank you for spending your Freedom Friday with me. Go after your peace. Go after your security. Go build that income that lets you sleep with a quiet mind. Bye for now.